Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by removing variables. Update the mouse firmware in Logitech G so the device runs the latest stability fixes. Once done, make sure the battery is above 50% because low power throttles wireless responsiveness. Then move the Lightspeed USB receiver to a rear USB 3.0 port on the PC. Avoid hubs and front panel ports because they introduce latency. These three actions eliminate firmware, power, and connection as primary causes and let you test whether lag persists under ideal baseline conditions. Once you have the baseline, adjust the mouse and system settings. Set the polling rate to 1000 Hz and configure DPI in GHUB so movements match expectation. Then reduce radio interference by disabling Bluetooth adapters and moving other 4 GHz devices away. This matters because crowded airwaves cause packet loss and microstutter. Next, reinstall or repair Logitech GHUB and update USB drivers. Make sure Windows USB Selective Suspend is off. These steps refine software and RF factors. You finish by isolating hardware. Test the mouse on a different PC to determine if the issue is host or mouse side. Position the receiver closer using a USB extension about 10 to 30 centimeters from the mouse. This reduces radio path obstructions. Clean the sensor and feet and swap to a quality cloth mouse bed because surface inconsistencies translate to perceived lag. If lag persists, record specific symptoms, timing, apps, and when it appears, and contact Logitech for RMA. That recorded evidence speeds diagnosis and replacement.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.